Welcome to the video series on corporate accountancy. This is Satish Kumar N. Mahale, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Bada. In this video, we are going to discuss about redemption of debentures using sinking fund method. In the earlier videos, we have discussed about redemption of debentures using insurance policy method. This method is similar to the previous method that we have earlier discussed. In this method, what we do basically is the debentures, we make a investment is received after a particular period of time, that is after maturity. So in the difference between this method and the redemption using insurance policy method, we make the yearly payment in the insurance policy at the beginning of the year. In this method, what we are going to do is we are going to make the yearly investment out of the profits at the end of the year. Before going ahead with the problem, let us have a look at the features of this method. Okay. Firstly, as we discussed earlier, it is similar to redemption using insurance policy method. It is also known as out of the profits method because the investments are made out of the profits that are earned every year. A certain sum of money is invested in an investment at the end of every year. And ultimately, the debentures are paid off using the investments that are sold at the end of the period. Let us have a look at the this method using an illustration. On 1/1/2015, TVS Company Limited issued 1 lakh 8% debentures of rupees 100 each, redeemable at the end of 5 years at par. It is decided to create a sinking fund for redemption, and it should have investments to yield 4% compound interest. The sinking fund table shows that an investment of rupee 0.162 fetches rupees 1 at need to pay that needs to be paid at the end of 5 years. So how we calculate how much investment is needed? So basically at the end of 5 years, that means every year uh, we'll have to keep out 20,000. But if we add 20,000 every year, we will get 1 lakh, plus actually we are going to make an investment, so we will have more than 1 lakh. So here we are going to need to make an investment only of rupees 0.184627 every year, assuming that we are going to get 4% compound interest. So if we want to get 1 lakh rupees at the end of 5 years, how much yearly we have to how much is the amount that we yearly have to make? So that can be calculated as follows. So calculation of yearly installment amount equal to amount needed at the end, that is 1 lakh, into the sinking fund factor which will be given in the examination. So it is 1 lakh, that is the amount needed in the end, into the sinking fund factor which is also given in the problem, that is 0.184627, that amounts to rupees 18,462.78. So if we invest yearly 18,462.78 rupees, assuming that it gives a compound interest of 4%, so at the end of 5 years we are going to be left with 1 lakh rupees that can be used to pay off the debentures. So importantly, the accounts that we are going to prepare is a sinking fund account. So we can have a look at this account, how it is prepared. So at the when we look at the credit side, every at the end of the first year we are going to make an appropriation of profit of 18,462.78. We know how that amount is calculated. Subsequently the in 2019. So the accumulated balance is 78,402, and bank interest for the year is 3134. And ultimately the last appropriation is made at the end of 2019, that is 18,462.78. So the total amount of 1 lakh, the sinking fund account is closed, and the balance of 1 lakh is transferred to the general reserve. We also prepare a sinking fund investment account. Okay, so this shows the sinking fund investment which is made, similar. Okay, it so we can have a look at this amount, account, how it is prepared. So every year, 18,462.78 balance is carried over, and ultimately here we are assuming it is sold at book value, which is 7840. Imagine, because the so these are the two important ledger accounts that is prepared in this method. Okay, so the important notes in this problem, relating to this problem, is ultimately we get a difference of rupees 1.14, which is adjusted in the last installment. Interest is to be calculated at the end of each year on the opening balance of the investment of the concerned year. Next, since the sale of investment is not given, it is presumed that the investments are sold at book value itself. The debentures may be transferred to the debenture holders and then paid off. So we have prepared these two important ledger accounts, which is supposed to be prepared, and you can have a look at journal entries related to this method in the PPT or in the textbook, which will give you a clearer understanding of this method. Overall, I believe that you have understood the concept of sinking fund method, and how debentures, which are issued by the company, how the strategy is formed by the company by making investments every year, and paying off the debentures after the particular period. So this is the whole concept of redemption using sinking fund method. I hope this video was helpful to you in understanding this method. Uh, until the next video, see you. Goodbye.